teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 14, Statistics, Exercise 14.2, fourth question. Alright, now let's read the question. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher and student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. Okay, so in this data, they had mentioned the number of students per teacher and number of states. Okay, so UT means union territories. Okay, so number of states and slash union territories. So this is the data. So now we are going to be finding the mode. Okay, so according to this question, we are supposed to find the mode as well as the mean, isn't it? So first let me find the mode. Okay, so for finding the mode, we want F0 value, F1 value, F2 value, H value and L value. Why? Because the formula for mode is L plus bracket F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket into H. This is the formula for mode, isn't it? So to apply this formula now, we want certain values. Okay, so first of all we are going to be finding the F1 value. So in these values, so we call this as Xi. I'm sorry, it is Fi. Okay, so we call this as Fi and this one is class interval. Okay, so here this one is Fi value, isn't it? So in this Fi value, which is the greatest number? So in these values, the greatest number is 10. So we are going to take it as F1, and here before that whatever number we have now, we are supposed to take it as F0, and down we are supposed to take it as F2. So when you just come straight, here we have a value, right? So you are supposed to come straight to the greatest number. Okay, so here this is the greatest number. When you come straight, here we have 30 and 35, isn't it? So here which is lower limit? Lower limit means smaller number. So the smaller number is 30 and upper limit means greatest number. Greatest number is 35. So here L value, it is going to be 30. Why? Because lower limit here it is 30. And F0 value is 9 and F1 value is 10 and F2 value is 3. How to find H value? Is literally easy. Upper limit minus lower limit. This is how we find the H value. Okay, alright. So upper limit minus lower limit. So you can just take this one. So 35 minus 30 is, it is going to be 5. Okay, so I'll write 5. Okay, so 35 minus 30 is 5. Alright, so since we have these values, now we can actually apply it in the formula, isn't it? So now let's do that. Okay, so is equal to, so here the L value is 30 plus bracket F1 value is 10 minus F0 value is 9 and divided by 2, F1 value is 10, close the bracket, minus F0 value is 9 and minus F2 value is 3 and close the bracket, into H value is 5. Alright, so now let's solve further. Is equal to 30 plus 10 minus 9 is 1 and divided by, so here 10 twos are, it is 20, isn't it? And then here we have minus and minus, so minus and minus is plus, isn't it? So 9 plus 3 is 12, isn't it? So is it minus 12 or plus 12? It is going to be minus 12. Okay, all right. And then since we have 20 here, 20 minus 12 is 8 and close the bracket, into 5. So is equal to 30. So plus, and here we can write, since 5 is in numerator, we can write 1 into 5 divided by 8. Okay, all right. So now is equal to 30 plus 1 into 5 is 5 by 8. So now we're supposed to divide it. Okay, so when we just divide it, we'll get 30 plus, so 5 divided by 8 is 0.62. Okay, alright, so now we can actually add them. When I add 30 plus 0.62, I'll get 30.62. So this is going to be our mode, isn't it? So this is our answer. Okay, so finally we got the mode. So according to the question, we are supposed to find the mode, right? So we just found the mode. Okay, alright. So now we got an answer, right? That is 30.62. What is the meaning of that 30.62? So in some number of states, no, there are 30 students per teacher. Okay, so here they mentioned the number of students per teacher, right? So here there are 30 students per teacher. That is the meaning of this mode. Okay, so now let us find the median. I'm sorry, we are supposed to find the mean, isn't it? Median is the next topic, so now no need to include that median right over here. Here we are supposed to find only the mode and mean. So now let's find the mean. Okay guys, so now we are going to find the mean, isn't it? So to find the mean, we have to use two methods. So we can either use direct method, otherwise we have to use assumed mean method. Okay, so here I am going to use direct method. Okay, so of course you guys know the formula, that is mean is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. This is the mean direct method formula, isn't it? So now let's find the xi. It's literally easy, isn't it? That is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So here the upper limit is 20, 20 plus 15, that is 35. 35 divided by 2, it is going to be 17.5, and here it's going to be 22.5, and here 27.5, and here 32.5, and here 37.5, and here 42.5, and here it's going to be 47.5, and here it is 52.5. Okay, so now let's find the fi xi value. It's literally easy, just multiply the fi into xi. So 3 into 17.5 is 52.5, and 8 into 22.5 is 180, and then 9 into 27.5 is 247.5, and 10 into 32.5 is 325. Okay, and 3 into 37.5 is 112.5, and here of course it is 0, and here also 0, and here when we just multiply we will get 1 0 and 5, so on at 5. Okay, so now we are supposed to do total. So when we do total, we'll get 35 right over here, and then here we'll get 1022.5. Okay, all right. So now we can actually apply the values in this formula, isn't it? So is equal to, so sigma fi xi value is 1022.5 divided by sigma fi value is 35, isn't it? So now what we can do is we can just take off the point, and here it will become 0. So now let us cancel it in fifth table. So 7 5s are, it is 35, 0, 5 2s are 10, and then we have 22. So we can actually write 0 first. Okay, why am I writing 0? Why? Because first we have 1, isn't it? So 1, we won't get 1 in 5 table. That's why I took the next number, that is 0. So it became 10. That is the reason I got 5 2s are, it is 10. Okay, so we are supposed to write 0. Okay, so whenever you meet in this condition, you are supposed to write 0. And now we have 22. Okay, so 5 4s are, it is 20. 5 4s are, it is 20, and then balance 2. So 5 5s are, it is 25. All right, so now we can solve further as well. So now let me cancel it. Okay, so 1 and 5 is 5, 6 7 8 30, so So we have 30 here. I'm sorry. So we have 20, isn't it? So 1 5 is 5. So balance 2. So I wrote the 2 here. Now we have 20. 5 4s are, it is 20. And here if we cancel, here we'll get 5 4s are 20. And then we have 45, isn't it? I can't just take 45 randomly like that. I have to put 0. Why? Because we have 4 now. So 4, since we get 4 now, we won't get it in 5th table. That's why we have to put 0 and we have to take both the numbers. That is 45. So 9 5s are, it is 45. So since we got 4 not 9 divided by 14. Okay, if I had committed a mistake here, no, I am sorry. Okay, I just committed a mistake, but now this answer, it is correct. Okay, so when we just divide it, we'll get 29.21. Okay, so this is gonna be our answer. Okay, all right. So if I had committed in calculation, but I just I just solved it, isn't it?
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.